So Rachel, you're in the medical field and you work in the medical field with doctors every day, and you also work with people who are injured in collisions and accidents.
So a lot of times I have patients that come in right after they were seen from an independent medical exam, and they're very upset because when they're in the exam, the doctors, are examining them and telling them one thing and saying, oh yeah, like I really don't think you're doing that well, and you are really hurt, and then they get these reports and the report is completely different from what they were originally told. So then the patients are very upset because then they think that they're going to be cut off or their money's going to be down because of the report.
Sure.
So then they come to see us to eventually get what our doctor says.
Right.
And I try to settle them down and tell them, that's the insurance company. Those doctors are working for the insurance company.
Right.
They're going to say one thing, and it doesn't matter what they say because it goes off of the doctor that you're treating from.
Right.
So usually if I can settle them down, then they're a little bit better. But these doctors, they don't care. They're working for the insurance. I mean, these insurance companies, they don't care. They don't have feelings. They're not working for you. They don't see how you are actually really doing. They
Absolutely.
are just going to write something for the insurance company so that they can try to make your case lower.
And to get more business in the future, because those insurance doctors, they actually make their money off of doing the exam of the person who's the victim. If they say the victim's not injured, then they're going to get another case to review for the insurance company. And those insurance companies hire those doctors to say a report that basically is bad for the person who's the victim. So your background, Rachel, in the medical community, working with the doctors who treat my patients and who treated you when you were a victim, when you were injured in your accident, when you came to me, we work with you in an effort to rebut those insurance company reports. So like you just referred to, they might write a report saying the person's not disabled, then we would ask you and your doctors to write a rebuttal report. Then we'll create a document saying, here's our report to rebut the insurance company's report. Keep the wages going, keep the medical treatment going. Because if you don't fight for it, a lot of people don't fight, or their lawyer may not fight for them, and then they don't have their medical treatment paid, and then they end up with lifelong injuries that are not corrected medically when they maybe could have been corrected medically, and then you're stuck with an injury for the rest of your life. So if you're out there, if you've been injured, and it's not your fault, contact me at 716-839-3939. I'm Jed Dietrich. I'm here to help you, especially with the insurance companies. There are strict time limitations applicable to all insurance injury cases.